Patina or no patina? That is the question. Now, I'm not going to repaint the truck. No way. But I'm not leaving it this rusty. No way. Rust is corrosion. And it's even taking the paint that's still good, making it look worse. So I'm going to go ahead and treat it. I'm going to rub some of the rust off, maybe even all of it, like I did on Engine Joe, the 59 F100. Yeah, so there's a before. This is the roof of my 59, and this is the treatment that I did. Scrubbing it, buffing it, polishing it. It gets the rust out, leaves a patina look, but the rust is gone. Okay, patina before. Whoops, weather got in the way of the project. Freaky June snow. So, I made some lemonade. A snow melting off the truck time lapse. And back to our regularly scheduled program. Okay, well there's half of the hood. Left is before, right is after. And that's with some steel wool, with some green pad, 3M green pad, and some CLR. Here, let's take a closer look. Alright, you can see some areas where there's primer and the original paint. And like there is what remains of the rust. Here is bare metal. I had no luck with the white vinegar. The CLR is the way to go. I scrubbed and scrubbed with that vinegar, and there was just no way to get it to work. There's the green pad that you use that comes from 3M. If it's really tough, then you use a little steel wool, and you can always dilute the CLR down if you want. And this is the stuff I'm working with here on the other side. Nobody wants that. That's just too crusty. So we'll go ahead and smooth it out, and then I'll get rid of a bunch of that rust. Okay, so just in that one little session with time-lapse, full-length CLR, look what it did to that rust. Before and after. Yeah, that works pretty good. Depends on how much you want to remove, but there goes the rust that quick. After, before. Okay, now I think that's just about the way I want it. Now it's just a matter of putting some polish on there. Whew. I'm out of breath. That takes a while. Okay, so I got most of the rust off. Got the finish just about the way I want to look it. Get to look. And there's the wet look. That looks pretty nice. But now polish and then wax. But more importantly, more rubbing and buffing. Okay, but it's getting there. Okay, I can't find my regular buffer, so I'll just use my old backup one. Now it's just buffing and buffing and buffing and buffing. Oops, I guess I should have done the hood first. Oh well, that is what it is, but okay, here's the polish. Man, that turned out nice. Starting to get that shine to it. Kind of, sort of starting to seal the finish on the original paint and on the rust and on the original primer. Okay, so I'm waiting for some shade. That'll take a couple hours. I'll shut it down for now. Next step is wax. Okay, we got some shade. Surface is cooled off. And I've got some Meguiar's Ultimate. Now this stuff's good, I think, for this application because as it says, hydrophobic wax. So that means it's afraid of water, right? well, anyways, it repels water. I've already applied it. I was going to apply it in quarters so you can see the sheen. I've applied it here. Got to let that sit for 3 to 5 minutes. I've applied it here on this front quarter. Okay, there's the basic original paint finish on the left on the door, on the right on the cowling. That's what I've just polished out. Dull and shiny, kind of depth and a little bit flat. But then here we go. Nice and shiny. Dig that patina. Not as rusty as it was. Certainly not as rusty as the roof still is. That'll give you an idea before and after too. And that's all we're going to do here today is the hood. That's where most of the rust was. And that's giving you a real good look at leaving the patina, but removing the rust. You know, I don't know if I'm ever going to paint it. You know, they say original paint is only original once, but when the paint is gone, I mean gone. You know, would I feather in maybe some of the same, what is it, boxwood green on the top and, you know, kind of work it in on the sides? I don't know. Will I ever do linseed oil? I don't know. But for now, you know, to give it the patina look until I decide, or leave it like this, that looks good. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button if you like what you saw. There's lots more videos on Kermit here and his Kermit Green, and on Engine Joe, my 1959 Ford F100. Got a bunch of stuff stored in it right now. But lots of videos, and thank you for watching.